Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What position does Anthony Albanese currently hold in Australia? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, Governor General, or C, Minister for Defence? It is A, Prime Minister. Which weapon is famously wielded by Thor in Marvel comics and movies? Is it A, Excalibur, B, Mjolnir, or C, Gungnir? It is B, Mjolnir. What is the main focus of the field of astrobiology? Is it A, oceanography, B, study of extraterrestrial life, or C, climate change? It is B, study of extraterrestrial life. What atmospheric phenomenon is characterized by a cloud formation that appears to rest on the summit of a mountain? Is it A, cap cloud, B, cumulonimbus, or C, stratus? It is A, cap cloud. What is the primary benefit of vertical farming? Is it A, traditional crops, B, space efficiency, or C, soil dependency? It is B, space efficiency. Which iconic song is Prince famously known for that includes the lyrics, "Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today"? Is it A, Like a Rolling Stone, B, Billie Jean, or C, Purple Rain? It is C, Purple Rain. What is the primary focus of the Union of Concerned Scientists? Is it A, wildlife conservation, B, environmental photography, or C, science advocacy? It is C, science advocacy. What is a small cap company typically defined by in terms of market capitalization? Is it A, below $2 billion, B, above $10 billion, or C, below $500 million? It is A, below $2 billion. Which ancient Chinese dynasty is known for its contributions to art, science, and philosophy? Is it A, Han, B, Tang, or C, Qing? It is A, Han. In music, what term means to hold a note for its full value? Is it A, tenuto, B, staccato, or C, fermata? It is A, tenuto. What is a pandemic? Is it A, local epidemic, B, global outbreak, or C, seasonal flu? It is B, global outbreak. Which influential theological work is Augustine of Hippo known for? Is it A, Summa Theologica, B, City of God, or C, Confessions? It is C, Confessions. What term refers to the total value of a company's shares of stock? Is it A, market value, B, market capitalization, or C, stock price? It is B, market capitalization. What is the primary mode of transportation proposed by the Hyperloop concept? Is it A, diesel bus, B, maglev train, or C, airplane? It is B, maglev train. In which city is Sorbonne University located? Is it A, Rome, B, London, or C, Paris? It is C, Paris. In which animated film does the song Sunflower by Post Malone and Sway Lee feature prominently? Is it A, Moana, B, Hotel Transylvania, or C, Spider-Man? Into the Spider-Verse? It is C, Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse. What type of animal eats both plants and meat? Is it A, herbivore, B, carnivore, or C, omnivore? It is C, omnivore. What traditional festive item is commonly sold at Christmas markets in Germany? Is it A, glühwein, B, tacos, or C, sushi? It is A. Glühwein. What is the primary function of hemoglobin in the human body? Is it A. Oxygen transport, B. Blood clotting, or C. Immune response? It is A. Oxygen transport. What luxury item is Cartier best known for creating? Is it A. Clothing, B. Perfume, or C. Jewelry? It is C. Jewelry. In which popular film series did John Boyega play the character Finn? Is it A. The Lord of the Rings, B. Harry Potter, or C. Star Wars? It is C. Star Wars. Which African country is Lake Kivu located in? Is it A. Rwanda, B. Kenya, or C. Uganda? It is A. Rwanda. What is the primary color characteristic of blue topaz? Is it A. Blue, B. Red, or C. Green? It is A. Blue. What major award did Lizzo win at the 2020 Grammy Awards? Is it A. Best Solo Performance, B. Best New Artist, or C. Album of the Year? It is A. Best Solo Performance. What is the first of Newton's laws of motion commonly known as? Is it A. Law of acceleration, B. Law of inertia, or C. Law of action-reaction? It is B. Law of inertia. Which team won the most World Series titles as of 2023? Is it A. New York Yankees, B. Boston Red Sox, or C. Chicago Cubs? It is A. New York Yankees. What is the capital of Morocco? Is it A. Rabat, B. Casablanca, or C. Marrakesh? It is A. Rabat. What natural feature is Uluru, Ayers Rock, primarily known for? Is it A. Large sandstone monolith, B. Waterfall, or C. Mountain range? It is A. Large sandstone monolith. What method of teaching is Socrates famous for developing? Is it A. Dialectical method, B. Socratic method, or C. Empirical method? It is B. Socratic method. What is the primary characteristic that makes sequoia trees notable in the natural world? Is it A. Their flower color, B. Their leaf shape, or C. Their height? It is C. Their height. What is Ramallah known for in the context of Palestine? Is it A. Administrative capital, B. Tourist destination, or C. Agricultural hub? It is A. Administrative capital. Which title has John Jones won multiple times in the UFC? Is it A. Light heavyweight, B. Middleweight, or C. Welterweight? It is A. Light heavyweight. What is the primary purpose of a corporate bond? Is it A. Buy stocks, B. Raise capital, or C. Pay dividends? It is B. Raise capital. What is the primary focus of the podcast, Darknet Diaries? Is it A. Cybercrime stories, B. Travel adventures, or C. Cooking tutorials? It is A. Cybercrime stories. What is Google Hangouts used for? Is it A. Online shopping, B. Video calling, or C. Social media? It is B. Video calling. In Greek mythology, what is Pegasus known for being? Is it A. A sea creature, B. A winged horse, or C. A giant bird? It is B. A winged horse. What grammatical construction is characterized by the subject and object having similar properties? Is it A. Accusative, B. Ergative, or C. Dative? It is B. Ergative. What type of cuisine is dim sum associated with? Is it A. Chinese, B. Italian, or C. Japanese? It is A. Chinese. In which country is voodoo primarily practiced as a religion? Is it A. Nigeria, B. Haiti, or C. Brazil? It is B. Haiti. Which country administers Ellesmere Island? Is it A. Denmark, B. Norway, or C. Canada? It is C. Canada. What is the primary function of cuticle production in plants? Is it A. Flower reproduction, B. Nutrient absorption, or C. Water retention? It is C. Water retention. What was the main purpose of Zheng He's maritime expeditions during the Ming Dynasty? Is it A. Military conquest, B. Trade and diplomacy, or C. Exploration of new lands? It is B. Trade and diplomacy. What is the primary focus of the Blue Marine Foundation? Is it A. Ocean conservation, B. Renewable energy, or C. Wildlife protection? It is A. Ocean conservation. What is the primary observance during Yom Kippur in Jewish tradition? Is it A. Fasting, B. Lighting candles, or C. Gift-giving? It is A. Fasting. What is a common application of nanotechnology in medicine? Is it A. Solar panels, B. Drug delivery, or C. Water filtration? It is B. Drug delivery. What 1920 treaty officially ended the Ottoman Empire? Is it A. Treaty of Versailles, B. Treaty of Sèvres, or C. Treaty of Trianon? It is B. Treaty of Sèvres. What is the primary habitat of bonobos in the wild? Is it A. Rainforest, B. Savanna, or C. Desert? It is A. Rainforest. What is the primary function of an axon in a neuron? Is it A. Store energy, B. Transmit signals, or C. Produce hormones? It is B. Transmit signals. Who wrote The Great Gatsby? Is it A. William Faulkner, B. Ernest Hemingway, or C. F. Scott Fitzgerald? It is C. F. Scott Fitzgerald. What luxury fashion item is Gucci most famous for creating? Is it A. Handbags, B. Shoes, or C. Watches? It is A. Handbags. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.